It is raining. It's going on 10 o'clock. No traffic. Going on 10 o'clock. That means we ain't gonna get no breakfast. Oh yeah, we are. I didn't do no breakfast this morning. I just got up and got dressed and ready, and it's pouring. Then my backyard looked like a swimming pool. I had to pick up and clean up a little bit because the drains were covered up. You better not turn on me. What do you think about the rain, Papas?
Not good. Not good.
Not good? It's beautiful.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I'm soaked, but it's beautiful.
But how? We're gonna get wet.
I know. That's why we're supposed to wear rain clothes. But I don't know where's mine's at. And then they don't have none for you. But you have a rain jacket and rain boots, so that's all that matters.
That does.
No school today. Tuesday, teachers are on strike until Friday back to school. So I'm dropping them off at Grandma's house.